Hey everybody, good morning, Robb Moffat. Guys, today I want to talk about fish cakes. Oscar at Salty Shellback, he turned me on to these little Twinkie makers. You can make a lot of cool things that aren't desserts in it. The other day, actually last night, not the other day, I made some little salmon and cheese fish cakes. They were real simple to make, only took a couple minutes. And these have been in the refrigerator all night. In between is a layer of cheddar. You can't see it too well here in the video, but the ingredients are real simple. You've got a can of the inexpensive salmon from Walmart. It's $3 a can. You've got like 85 grams of protein in this can. It's wild caught. There's only two ingredients. There's salt and fish. That's pretty good to me. I put a little layer of cheddar cheese in between, and I made it well with one egg, a little bit of onion, carrot, and celery. Put it in a miniature food processor with some parsley flakes, some pepper, lemon juice, turmeric, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some onion powder, and mix it up in a little blender. And then I added in a bowl with the egg and the fish and made a little paste, put it into the little Twinkie maker, then put a layer of cheese and put some more of the fish ingredients on top, close it up, and this is what we get. A little bit of liquid came out from the carrots and the onion and so on, and it went onto the counter. So maybe last time I'll try to add things that are less wet, but it has a nice texture to it. There's a lot of good ingredients. This was my first batch. I'm going to be experimenting with other flavors with the fish and cheese, and also using something besides breadcrumbs. But very quick to make, very fun, experimental. And if you're looking for a different way to eat the salmon, this is a really no-brainer. I think if people are on a budget trying to find the low-cost food sources, this is wild caught. It's not something that's processed. It's not Frankenstein ingredients. And even if you don't like fish, when you add different flavors to it, you don't really notice the fish that much. And if you are really finicky, you can remove any of the fish bones or the skin where it has the dark meat, so you don't get the stronger fish flavor. But it has, like I said, some really good vegetables in there, and really handy dandy little Italian seasoning. That's got so many herbs and spices in there. It's a wonder food, let me tell you. And 7 or 8 minutes tops. I think 8 minutes was tops. It was starting to get dark on top. So this is what it looks like on the other side. See, it was getting kind of dark, so that was 8 minutes. Could have been done with maybe 7. So guys, give the little Twinkie maker a chance and try with things other than desserts. Check out Oscar's YouTube channel. He's got a lot of cool videos he's made using different appliances for the kitchen. He's been making some cool things. Alright guys, hope this was helpful to you. Take care. See you out there.